How to actually make money online. Passive income fantasies and get-rich overnight promises are noise. What works is simple, scalable, and ethical. I call it the two-engine model, the magnet that attracts buyers and the money engine that converts them. Run both, and you do not need a massive audience, just the right one. Here is the truth. A small, engaged audience is enough. I have seen a few hundred serious followers outperform tens of thousands of casual ones. The issue is not traffic alone. It is alignment and clarity. When your magnet attracts the right people and your money engine presents a clear, confident offer, revenue becomes predictable. Most beginners try to sell to everyone and convert no one. Begin with precision. Who do you help? What pain do you solve that is costly, urgent, and clear? If you can describe the problem better than your buyer can, you win trust. Ask, what keeps them up at night? What have they already tried? What would a win look like in 30 days? Serve people who are where you once were. Your lived experience becomes authority. In business, the bigger the pain you solve, the larger the paycheck. Short-form video dominates. Use the PSL framework: point, story, lesson. Name the pain directly. Share a quick example or analogy. Deliver one actionable takeaway. Use pre-validated topics. Study what already performs in your niche, then create your distinct version with your data, your voice, and your experience. Commit to a 100-day posting streak across Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. This is how you build the magnet, fast. Most creators stay broke because their offer is unclear. I rewrote a one-page offer, sales doubled in a week. Make the transformation, timeline, and price obvious. DMs feel awkward when you chase. I switch to questions, not pitches. Diagnose first, prescribe second. You do not need 10K followers. 600 engaged buyers funded a 5-figure month. Depth over reach. Thousands tap, follow, and never receive a simple hello. Start conversations, not spam, service. Ask what they are building, where they are stuck, and what a quick win would be. High-ticket sales happen in chat when trust and clarity are present. Thanks for following. What are you working on this month? If you could fix one bottleneck this week, what would it be? Want a quick loom on that? I can show the fix in 3 minutes. Do not release the pressure valve. If someone shares a problem, validate it, diagnose it, and quantify the cost of doing nothing. Then present a simple offer that solves exactly what they described. No fluff, no 12 bonuses. Clarity converts. Offer checklist, read on VO, show on screen. Problem named in the buyer's words. Process in 3-5 steps. Briefcase result or data point. What changes by when? Price and payment link ready, Stripe checkout. 2 profiles appear in DMs, low confidence and overconfident buyers. With low confidence, reassure and scope the first quick win. With overconfidence, ask grounding questions. Great top line. What was profit? Bring them back to the specific gap your offer fixes. Here is your 30-day sprint. Days 1-3. Define perfect buyer, top 3 pains, and your one clear offer. Days 4-30. Post 1 PSL video daily. Start 10 genuine DMs day. Track conversations, calls, orders. Improve one variable at a time. The two-engine model is not hype. It is discipline. Magnet. Consistent value that attracts the right people. Money. Clear offer, confident dialogue, fast checkout. Run both, and your small audience can fund big goals. Subscribe for more video to come.